You gonna give her a kiss? You gonna give her a kiss? He's looking at the video monitor here, screen thing. Go give your sister a kiss. Gavin, go give her a kiss. Yeah, she wants a kiss. Mwah. That's her nose. Be careful. Those are her eyes. Gavin's nose and Gavin's eyes. Yeah. Oh, be careful. Poke yourself in the eye, silly. Who is that? That's Gavin. Boy, this is going to be an interesting video. Is Gavin going to dance? Who is that? Do you see that handsome fellow? Are you dancing? You going to dance? Be careful. Oh, you're so nice. You love your sister. He's going to Daddy to get ice cream.
Start dancing. You want to dance? You want to dance? Let's go dance for ice cream, Gavin. Let's go dance for ice cream.
Yeah, he's not going to dance.